Let's see how to allow users to create a new option on the fly when using SelectInput. I have a product list here, a list of posters. Each poster has a category. When users want to create a new poster, they can enter a reference, for instance, a new poster about West Side Story, and it should be in the musical category. Unfortunately, there's no such category yet. Currently, users have to go to the categories page, create a new musical category, and then, only then, can they create a new poster with this category. But they will have to retype everything. There is a better way, of course. In React Admin, you can modify this select input to allow on-the-fly creation. Let's check the code. This product creation page using a simple form, and the category input is a reference input which will fetch all the categories to populate the choices options, the choices of the select input here. Now, if I want the select input to allow creation, I'm going to use the onCreate prop. OnCreate expects an asynchronous callback as a value, and this asynchronous callback should return the new option, the new category. So first I'm going to ask users for the new category name using a prompt. New category name is a prompt. And I'm going to use the create callback from the useCreate hook. useCreate will call dataprovider.create. So now that I have the name, I can call create categories, and I'm going to pass, oops, what does it come from? I'm going to pass an object with a data prop with the new category name. And now I have this create callback, which usually will dispatch side effects using the onSuccess callback. But now what we want is the actual value, and for that I'm going to use an option called return promise. And return promise will allow me to await const new category equals await, and I'm going to return this new category. And now, if I go to the creation poster, I can start entering the new data, and the new category doesn't exist, but I have this create option that I can click and enter the new category name. And now not only is the new category created, React Admin has also selected it for this record. So it's the musical category. And now I can save this record, and it has the right related category. And if I go to the categories list, I can see that React Admin has also created the category. So that's it for the onCreate prop. It expects an asynchronous function that should return the new option.